Yes, good morning, Anna. Coming to the probability, Telangana State 2019 and 2019 Telangana State, they given 5 problems. Coming to first one. If 5 dice are thrown simultaneously, the probability of at least 3 of them shows the same number. At least 3 of them shows the same number. I will take number of n equal to number of dice, that is a 5. P is the probability of 1 die shows the 1. P is the probability of, I will show the same number on face. P is the probability of same number on face. Same number on face means either it shows a 1 or it shows a 2 or it shows a 3, it shows a 4 or it shows the 5 or it shows the 6 cases here. Out of 6 cases, 1 case I will take probability of same number on face means I will take same number 1 on the face. Like total outcomes, if a die is thrown, we get 6 outcomes. Out of 6 outcomes, to get the 1 is 1 chance, or to get the 2 is 1 chance, to get the 3 is 1 chance, to get the 4 is 1 chance, to get the 5 is 1 chance, to get the 6 is 1 chance. So Q is the 1 minus P equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, that is a 5 by 6. Now number of dice are thrown 5. So probability of R greater than or equal to 3 means X equal to R, probability of X equal to R greater than or equal to 3 means it is the probability of X equal to 3 plus probability of X equal to 4 plus probability of X equal to 5. Now P of X equal to R formula I have NCR Q power N minus R P power R. So if we take that is a 5C3, Q is a 5 by 6, whole power 5 minus 3 is 2, 1 by 6 whole cube, plus 5C4, 5 by 6 whole power 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 6 whole power 4, plus 5C5, 5 by 6 whole power 5 minus 5 is 0, 1 by 6 whole power 5. So every term denominator have 1 by 6 whole power 5, take common. 5C3 means 5C2, 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, that is 10 into 25. 5C4 means 5, 5 5 is 25, 1. That is the probability of X equal to R greater than or equal to 3. R is the either 3 or 4 or 5, means 3 dice shows the same number or 4 dice shows the same number or 5 dice shows the same number. That means probability of X equal to 3 or probability of X equal to 4 or probability of X equal to 5 means 3 dice shows the same number 1. 3 dice shows 1 or 4 dice shows 1 or 5 dice shows 1. Now this is the 250 plus 25, 275, 275, 276. 276 by 6 power 5. Now they not given the same number 1. They given same number on the face. Means it shows the either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So the required probability is either it shows a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. This is only for 1. Like you have remaining 5 chances. 5 plus 1, 6 chances. So 6 times of P of X or greater than or equal to 3. That means 6 times of 276 by 6 power 5 equal to 276 by 6 power 4 is the answer. Copy that problem. See the question. This question already they asked in the AP 2019. If 2 dice are rolled, how many dice are rolled? 2. Two dice are rolled simultaneously, one after another they are throwing. Sum of the numbers appeared on the dice either 7 or 11. Sum of the dice appeared on the dice 7 or 11. Find the probability 7 will come before 11. I will take the PB the event, probability of sum is 7 I will take. If when 2 dice are rolled, sum 7 means 1 6 possible or 6 1 or 2 5 5 2 or 3 4 or 4 3. You have 6 chances are there. So that is 6 by 36. 36 is the reason is that 2 dice are rolled. So 6 square. 6 square means 36. That is the 1 by 6. They are asking to find the probability 7 comes before 11. 7 comes before 11. One more event I will take. Q by the event. Probability of neither sum is 7 or 11. Means sum does not shows 7 or 11. That means I will take 1 minus probability of sum 7 minus probability of sum is 11. So that is 1 minus probability of sum is 7 is 1 by 6. Sum 11 means we have 5 6 or 6 5. So you have 2 chances out of 36. 1 minus 1 by 6, 2, 18 here. So 18 is LCM. 18 minus 3 minus 1, that is a 14 by 18, 7 by 9. Now the required probability of sum 7 before 11. If 2 dice are thrown at a time, suppose at the first time he got the sum 7 before 11. Sum is 7 before 11. Or first time he will not get, means either side shows the 7 or neither side shows the 11. That means he failed. Next he get the sum is 7. Or first time he lose, second time lose, third time win. Means third time win means probability of success that sum is 7. Q is the probability of neither die shows the sum is 7 or 11. That is the reason. This is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time. Or if we get the fourth time, means first time we will not get 7, second time also not get the 7, third time also not 7 11, fourth time we will get the 7, like and so on. Now P common, we get 1 plus Q square plus QQ plus and so on. So this is in the form of GP series. Sum of the infinite terms in the GP is A by 1 minus R. A is 1, R is Q. So P by 1 minus Q. So P value is 1 by 6, 1 minus 7 by 9. That is equal to 1 by 6 into 2 by, 9 by 2. So that is 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 by 4 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next question, a box contains 10 mangoes. Total 10 mangoes are there. Out of which 4 are spoiled, means 4 are damaged. 4 spoiled is given. That means 10 minus 4, 6 are good. 6 are good mangoes. 2 mangoes are taken at random. 2 mangoes are taken one after another. If one of them is found to be good, one mango is good, find the probability other one is good, means second one is also good, you have to find. I will take the, let A be the event. Let A be the event. First mango is good. I will take first mango is good, I will take. So first mango is good means either first one is good or second one good. Means good will come both. Or good bad will come. That means good mangoes you have 6 are there. So from the 6 you can take the 2 mangoes, 62. 6 are the 2 mangoes are good mangoes. 6 mangoes are good. From the 6 you can take 2 mangoes are good mangoes, you can take it. Out total probability 62 by 10C2. 2 for 2 mangoes good. For 1 mango is good. Other one is bad. Other one is bad means from the 4 spot you can select 1 mango. By total 10C2. Again I am repeating. 2 mangoes are good, or first one is good, second one is bad. 2 cases you can take it. You have to take the 2 cases. So 62 means 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 10C2 means 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. 2 into 1 cancel, 10 into 9. Plus 6 into 4 by 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. You have to do the calculation. We get the answer 5 2s are 2 3s are 1 by 3 plus 3 3s will get 2 by 3 15, that is a 15 LCM. So it goes to 5 plus 6, that is 11 by 15. P of A value. P of A value is 11 by 15. Otherwise you can leave it like that. You have to leave it like this, no problem. Next to the calculation. Now I will take the let B be the event. Second one is good. That means you are finding the required property P of B by A. That means P of A intersection B by P of A. Otherwise you can write N of A intersection B by N of A. So numerator part is N of A. So you can write N of A here. N of A means both are good, 62. Or first one is good, second one is bad. So actually A intersection B means both are good. N of A we know already 62 plus 6C1 into 4C1. That is both are good means 62. 62 means 6 into 5 by 2 into 1, that is a 15 plus 24. That is a 15 by 20, 39. 5 by 13 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to the next question. 2 dice are rolled. If a random variable x is defined as the absolute difference between two numbers. When 2 dice are rolled, we get 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, next 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, or 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, or 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So x is the probability of difference between the two numbers. X is the probability of difference between the two numbers. X is the difference between the two numbers. Difference. Difference may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. You will not get this since the you could take the 1 2 3 4 5 6 first die. Second day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minimum difference 1 minus 1 0. Maximum difference 6 minus 1 5. Minimum difference is the 0. Maximum difference is the 5. That is the reason difference I taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Xi and xj are the two numbers appears on it. Xi xj are the belongs to xi comma xj belongs to these two numbers. Means xi comma xj belongs to these two order pairs. Now you can take the probability of x, probability of 0, probability of 0 difference. 0 difference means either 1 1 or 2 2 or 3 3 or 4 4 or 5 5 or 6 6. You can take difference of these 6 order pairs. We get 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0, 5 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 6 0. That means 6 chances out of 36. Now difference you want the 1. Difference you want 1 means modulus of 1 minus 2 equal to 1. Modulus of 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Modulus of 1 minus 3 equal to 1. Modulus of 2 minus 3 equal to 1. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Modulus of 3 minus 4 equal to 1. Modulus of 4 minus 3. Modulus of 5 minus 6 equal to 1. That is called modulus of 6 minus 5. Modulus of 4 minus 5 equal to 1 equal to modulus of 5 minus 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10 chances we have. So total we have 10 by 36. Suppose they are asking, suppose if the difference is a 2. Difference 2 means you can check the modulus of 1 minus 3 equal to 2, that is 3 minus 1. Or modulus of 2 minus 4 equal to 2, that is called modulus of 4 minus 2. Or modulus of 3 minus 5 equal to 2, that is called modulus of 5 minus 2. Modulus of 4 minus 6 equal to 2, that is equal to modulus of 6 minus 4. You have the 8 chances, 8 by 36. Similarly, difference 3. Difference 3 means modulus of 1 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 1. Modulus of 1 minus 2 minus 5 equal to 3, that equal to mod 5 minus 3. Modulus of 3 minus 6 equal to 3, that equal to modulus of 6 minus 3. So you have 6 chances, 6 by 36. Next coming to mod, difference is the 4. Difference is the 4 means modulus of 1 minus 5 equal to modulus of 5 minus 1. Modulus of 2 minus 6 equal to 4, that equal to modulus of 6 minus 2. So you have 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 2 comma 6, 6 comma 2. 4 chances you have. 4 by 36. Now difference 5, that means 1 minus 6, 6 minus 1. So 2 chances, 2 by 36. They ask to find the mean of x. Mean of x means we know very well. Mean formula is sigma xi into probability of xi. That means 0 into 6 by xi into probability of xi. So 0 into 6 by 36, that is 0. 1 into 10 by 36, 10 by 36. 2 into 8, 16 by 36. 3 into 6, 18 by 36. 4 into 4, 16 by 36. 5 into 2, 10 by 36. If we add everything, we get sigma xi, probability of xi. So 36 denominator, so like fractions. So 10 plus 16, 26, 26, 34, 44, 50, 60, 70 by 36. That is 35 by 18. Answer is mean is 35 by 18. Copy the problem. Yes, coming to next question. if getting a head on a coin, when it is tossed is considered as the success. So P is the probability of success. Probability of success means getting a head. Getting a head. When a coin is tossed. When a coin is tossed. So out of 2 chances, you have 1 chance for head. So 1 by 2. P is the 1 by 2. Q is the 1 minus P, that is the 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. We know very well. Now, probability of having more number of failures. They are asking more number of failures when 10 coins are tossed. When 10 coins are tossed. Means n equal to 10 coins are tossed. Number of coins equal to n, 10. Probability of more number of failure. More number of failure. More number of failure means not getting the head. That means either 10 failures or 9 failures or 8 failures or 6 failures, or if we take the 5 failures, remaining 5 are the 5 failures means 5 are the pass, means win. So this is the equal number of chances. So will not get. If we take 4 failures, 6 wins. If we take the 3 failures, from this case onwards, we have more number of wins we get. Win we get the game. So up to probability of 6 he can take it. So probability of x equal to r. We know the probability of x equal to r formula by the binomial distribution. NCR Q power n minus r P power r. In this case, P and Q both are equal. P equal to Q equal to 1 by 2. So this becomes a 1 by 2 whole power n. So this becomes a NCR 1 by 2 whole power n will get 1 by 2 whole power n minus r, 1 by 2 whole power r. A power m into a power n, a power m plus n. That means n minus r plus r n will get. So 10c 10, n is 10, 1 by 2 whole power 10. Plus 10c 9, 1 by 2 whole power 9. Plus 10c 8, 1 by 2 whole power 8. 10c 6, sorry, whole power 10 and 10, 1 by 2 whole power 10. 1 by 2 whole power 10 common. 10c naught means 1. 10c 9 means 10c 1, that is 10. 10c 8 means 10c 2. 10 into 9 by 2 into 1, 2 5s are 45. 10c 7 also we get. P of x equal to 7 plus P of x equal to 6. So 10c 7 means 10 into 9 into 8, 10c 3 both are equal. 10c 7 value, 10c 3 value equal. Right, 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 3s are 2 4s are 120. Plus 10c 10, 10c 6, 1 by 2 whole power 10. 10c 6 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 6 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 4 get cancelled. 6 is 180. Check the calculation, we get 386 by 2 power 10. That is 193 by 2 power 9 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next question, Anna. A comma B are two events such that P of A bar is given 0.3. That means P of A equal to 1 minus P of A bar, that is 0.7. P of B is given 0.4. Next, P of A intersection B is given 0.5. They are asking P of B by A union B complement. A union B complement. We know P of B by A means P of intersection of the both by A intersection B by denominator P of A have. That is the formula, we know the definition. So this is the P of B intersection A union B complement by denominator P of A union B complement. So substitute the values. Now coming to the distributive property, you can apply in the numerator. Probability of B intersection A union B intersection B complement by P of A union B complement means P of A plus P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. B intersection B complement is 0. B intersection B complement is 0. So this is the P of A intersection B by denominator values, you know, P of A is 0.7. P of B complement you have 1 minus P of B, that is 0.6. A intersection B complement is 0.5. Now you have to find the numerator value. Numerator value means P of A intersection B. From here given P of A intersection B complement means P of A minus B is 0.5. From this P of A minus P of A intersection B 0.5. That is a P of A. P of A is 0.7 minus 0.5 equal to P of A intersection B. So P of A intersection B equal to 0.2. Substitute in this case 0.2 by 7, 1, 0.8. So 2 by 8, that equal to 1 by 4. Multiply and divide by 10. We get 2 by 8 will get. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. Copy that problem. Coming to next question. Bag 1 contains one bag 1 is there. The bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Total you have 3 plus 4 7 balls, and bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black. Total 5 plus 6 11 balls. That is a given information. If one ball is drawn at random from the one bag, one ball is drawn from the at random from one bag, and it is to be found to be red. That ball is red ball. Find the probability it was drawn from the bag 2. We know very well these type of problems you can use the Bayes theorem. First, out of 2 bags you have to select the bag. I will take first bag as A, B1 as A, B2 as B. So probability of to select A bag is out of 2 bags, 1 bag A is a 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of B also same. Out of 2 bags, 1 bag B have, so 1 by 2 probability. So probability of A bag is selected is 1 by 2. Probability of B is selected is 1 by 2. Let R be the event. R be the event, red ball. So red ball from the A. How many red balls you have? 3 red balls. From the 3 red balls you can select 1 red ball by 3C1 by. From the total 7C1. That is 3 by 7. Probability of red ball from the B2. Second bag, that is a 5 red balls, 5 by total 11 you have, 11C1, 5C1 by 11C1, 5 by 11. They are asking probability of bag 2 on the red ball. Bag 2 you have to select that ball, red ball is given. Given event always denominator will come. So numerator will get Bayes theorem by the Bayes theorem probability of B bag into probability of R by B, probability of A into probability of R by A, plus probability of B into probability of R by B. You have to substitute the values 1 by 2 into 5 by 11 whole divided by 1 by 2 into 3 by 7 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 11. 1 by 2 common, cancel it. 5 by 11, 77 by 11 3 is 33, 7 5 is 35. 33 plus 75 68. 11 7 just 35 by 68 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next problem. 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice A and B are rolled. 2 dice A and B are rolled. A and B, they are throwing 2 dice. If it is known that B, if it is known that the number on B is 5. Number on B is 5. So out of, if 2 dice are rolled, whenever B throws, he knows that B person, he knows 1 die shows the 5, means first number shows the 5. So you can see this is the 2 dice. A, B, they even sum of the two faces, sum on the numbers. Sum of the two faces greater than 9. Means sum is 10 or 11 or 12. Sum 10 means either 5 5 or 4 6 6 4. You have 3 chances. So 3 chances you have. That means A equal to, we get sum 10 means 4 6 6 4 5 5, or sum 11 means 5 6 6 5. Sum 12 means 6 6. So these 3 for 10 sum. These 2 for sum 11. This is for sum 12. Now coming to that, it B is known that die shows the 5. Die shows, B is the number on the die shows the 5. So B is so second number is 5. So we get, that implies A intersection B equal to, A intersection B have 5 comma 5 or 6 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5. Second number 6 comma 5, that is 2 chance. N of A intersection B equal to. They are asking the probability that the sum of the numbers will be 2 dice will be greater than 9 is asking. So probability of sum greater than 9 given B shows the number 9. Five on the number. That means P of B by A by B equal to N of A intersection B by denominator have N of A intersection B by P of N of B. N of A intersection B by N of B. Once again, small correction in the question, again I am repeating, small correction in the question. If it is known that number on second die, number on second means second die shows 5. Second die shows 5 hot take. So B is the number on the second die shows 5. Second die shows 5, that is a 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5, 6 5. Now if you take A intersection B, A intersection B have A intersection B 5 5 is A and 6 5 have. So total you have 2 chances. N of A intersection B equal to 2 chances. N of B equal to 6 chances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances. So N of B, so there is a 2 by 6. equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. Copy the problem. A small correction in the question. If it is known that the number on the second die shows 5, you can check it. Change the question. Next question. As a business strategy, 20% of new internet service. As a business strategy, 20% of new internet service subscribers selected random receive special promotions. So in this case, they given 20% of new internet subscribers, they get the special promotions they will get. If a group of 5 such subscribers signs for the service, the probability that at least will get two of them get the special promotions. At least 2 of them get the special promotion means you have to find P of X greater than equal to 2. So n is how many in a group of 5 subscribers? N equal to number of subscribers 5. They given P is the probability of special promotion. Success event special promotion. They given 20%, that is 20 by 100, 1 by 5. Q equal to 1 minus P, that equal to 4 by 5. P of X greater than equal to means 1 minus probability of X less than 2. That means 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 plus probability of X equal to 1. So 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 means 5C0. Q power 5 minus 0 plus 5C1, 4 by 5 whole power 5 minus 1 is a 4, 1 by 5, Q power 1. P of X equal to R formula, we know that by the binomial distribution NCR, Q power N minus R, P power R. So we get the calculation, we get 1 minus 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 into 25, that is 3125 LCM. 4 5 5 means 4 power 4 is 256, 256 4 is 1 2 2 4. 4 power 4 means 256 into 5, 320. Two 56 into 5, we get 2504. You have to do the calculation, we get answer 8. We get the answer 8. 81 by 821 by 3125. 821 by 3125 will get the answer. You have to do the calculation. Copy the problem. Today last problem, Nana. In a communication network, 98% messages are transmitted, no error. They given in the communication network, 98% messages are transmitted, no error. 98% have no error. Means out of 100%, 98% have no error. That means 100 minus 2, that 2% are error. Error message, that is a given information now. If a random variable X denotes the number of incorrectly transmitted messages. If a random variable X denotes the number of incorrectly transmitted message, means no error asking. Then find the probability at most one message transmitted incorrectly without out of 500 messages. Out of 500 messages. Given options in terms of exponential value. So you can go for Poisson distribution. You have to go for Poisson distribution. At most one message means probability of at most one. At most one means probability of maximum one message, that means x less than or equal to 1. That is a probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Probability of x equal to r by the Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial, we know that. Now lambda is what? Mean. Lambda is the mean. N is the number of messages 500. P is the error message 2%, that is the 2 by 100. 2 by 100. Lambda equal to mean NP, that is the 500 into 2 by 100, that is the 10. So P of x equal to 0 means e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. 1 factorial means 1, 0 factorial is 1. So e power minus lambda common, 1 plus lambda. Lambda is the mean, that is 10. So that is e power minus 10 by 1 plus 10. Finally we get lambda by e power 10 is the answer. Copy the problem.